negotiations, there was an absence of the marginalized communities from Africa and the small island states in the corridors of influence. If you have been to COP, any of the COPs, you know that there is what they term the green zone, where they'll be hosting the side events and many other exhibitions. And there is what they call the blue zone. So the marginalized communities were relegated to the green zone, where side events will be taking place, the exhibitions will be taking place there. The formal decision-making and the negotiations were taking place in closed-door rooms, which is called the blue zone. And a year later, in 2024, I attended Cop25 in Azerbaijan, in Baku, in my capacity again as the chairperson of the portfolio committee. It was the same story all over again. So what am I trying to say today? I want to say congratulations to the CNRG for creating a platform that gives voice to the marginalized communities, the People's COP, a space where the climate action finally speaks the language of the people. And I want to thank Mokoma Tharai and your team. May we give them a round of applause for creating such an incredible platform. So today, we are not in Dubai. Today, we are not in Baku. Today, we are in Harare, where we are giving the voice to the marginalized communities. And I expect the conversations in this room to center on the people who are bearing the brunt of climate change. So I stand before you today, not just as a parliamentarian, but also as a daughter of this country. I have witnessed the climate change in reshaping our lives. If you look at this slide, these are just mere examples of what is happening across the country. From the smallholder farmers in Mashonaland provinces, watching their crops wither due to drought, to mining affected families in Wange and many other areas where mining activities are taking place, being choked by dust from extraction. That mining is one of the major contributors to climate change, with communities suffering due to mining activities that are happening across the country. We also have survivors of Cyclone Idai